So let's talk about shifts. So when I talk about shifts, it's the same as saying of translation. So moving it up or down or side to side. So again, for horizontal shifts, you're going to be looking at H. Because there's a minus sign, these shifts are the opposite of what you think they're going to be. So if you see a number that's being subtracted away, that's actually a shift to the right. Even though subtraction normally tells us that we're going more negative, a subtraction sign means we're going more to the right. Look at this equation all the way over to the right. X minus 4, the more minus we're getting, the more we're shifting to the right. Addition indicates a shift to the left. On our K value, this is that final value. If we're subtracting, we're shifting down. If we're adding, we're shifting up. So notice that plus 3 is above just x squared. Plus goes up, minus goes down. That is the same as what you should be used to. Looking at the first example, I'm going to write what I see based on these two equations. So for the first one, I see a minus 2. Now remember, subtraction says we're moving to the right, even though we want to say it's the left because it's more negative. This is the opposite. So this graph, when we go from f of x to g of x, so we started with x squared, is going right 2, and then I have a minus 7. That's normal. That tells me we're going down 7. So you're just looking at the equations and then writing what kind of results you're getting based on what you see. Sorry, my dog is distracting me. You might have just saw him. He tried to make an appearance. Here's one where it's asking you. The parabola is shifted up by 4. So when you are writing the equation, if you're writing something horizontal, I did not spell that right. Ignore me. But if you're doing horizontal, what's going to happen is you're going to fill it in to the parentheses of this vertex form. If it's happening vertically, then it's going to go on the outside of the parentheses. So when this says we're moving up, that tells me it's vertical. So the equation becomes y equals x squared plus 4. These are horizontal and vertical shifts. You're going to be asked to identify from equations like this what happened. You're also going to be asked to write a new equation based on what it's describing.